Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Have you ever wondered what makes life possible? What powers every cell in your body, builds your muscles, fuels your brain, and even determines your genetic identity? The answer lies in biomolecules, the microscopic heroes that run the show inside us. Today, in this fascinating episode of Knowledge Chronicle, we're diving deep into the world of biomolecules. We'll uncover how monomers link to form polymers, explore the incredible dynamic state of body constituents, and understand metabolism, the engine of life itself. Stay with us till the end, because this is going to be super engaging, highly informative, and scientifically mind-blowing. And hey, if you love science and knowledge, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us create more valuable content just for you. Every living organism, from the simplest bacteria to the most complex human, is made up of biological molecules, biomolecules. These molecules form the structure of cells, store energy, transmit genetic information, and carry out vital processes. But have you ever wondered how these molecules are built? Let's break it down. What are monomers and polymers? In simple terms, imagine monomers as individual Lego blocks. When these blocks join together, they form a complete Lego structure, just like how polymers are formed from monomers. Now, let's take a closer look at different biomolecular polymers and how their monomers are linked. Proteins, the power of peptide bonds. Proteins are the building blocks of life. They form muscles, enzymes, hormones, and so much more. But what makes them? Proteins are made of amino acids, which are the monomers. These amino acids link together through a special bond called the peptide bond. How is a peptide bond formed? A peptide bond forms when the carboxyl group, CuO, of one amino acid reacts with the amino group, NH2 of another. During this process, a water molecule is removed. This is called dehydration synthesis, or condensation reaction. The result? A strong bond that connects the amino acids, forming a polypeptide chain. Example. Think about keratin, the protein that makes up your hair and nails. Without peptide bonds, your hair would literally fall apart. Carbohydrates, the strength of glycosidic bonds. Next up, we have carbohydrates, your body's favorite energy source. Carbohydrates are made of monosaccharides, or simple sugars. When these sugars link together, they form a polysaccharide. The bond that holds them? A glycosidic bond. How is a glycosidic bond formed? Two sugar molecules join together by removing a water molecule. Again, dehydration synthesis. The bond is formed between the carbon atoms of the two monosaccharides. Example, starch found in potatoes and rice is made of thousands of glucose molecules linked by glycosidic bonds. Nucleic acids, the backbone of DNA and RNA. And finally, we have the nucleic acids, the molecules that store and transmit genetic information. DNA and RNA are built from monomers called nucleotides. These nucleotides link together through a phosphodiester bond. How is a phosphodiester bond formed? The phosphate group of one nucleotide binds to the 3' carbon of the sugar in another nucleotide. This creates a strong sugar-phosphate backbone that gives DNA and RNA their structure. Example, the DNA inside your cells is held together by phosphodiester bonds and hydrogen bonds. The famous Watson-Crick model describes how two DNA strands twist into a double helix, with AT and GC base pairing ensuring stability. Now that we've understood how biomolecules are formed, let's explore something even more fascinating, the dynamic state of body constituents. This means that every single molecule in your body is constantly changing. It's being broken down, rebuilt, and transformed. This entire process is known as metabolism. What is metabolism? Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions in the body. It can be divided into two types. Catabolism, breakdown reactions. Large molecules are broken down into smaller ones, releasing energy. Example, digestion. Your body breaks down food into glucose, which is then used for energy. Anabolism, build-up reactions. Smaller molecules combine to form larger, more complex molecules. Example, protein synthesis. Your body uses amino acids to build muscle proteins. Fun fact. Your metabolism is like a city's traffic system. Nutrients enter, get processed, and leave, all in a perfectly organized manner. And guess what? Enzymes act as traffic controllers. They speed up reactions and ensure everything runs smoothly. Wow! Today we uncovered the incredible world of biomolecules, from how monomers link to form polymers, to how your body maintains a dynamic state of metabolism. Now let me ask you, did you find this video helpful? If yes, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you love learning about biology, make sure to subscribe to Knowledge Chronicle and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Your one like, share and subscribe helps us create more valuable and exciting content just for you. See you in the next episode. Stay curious, stay knowledgeable.